Why do I need some fancy test kit? Isn't this little blue box or vial of strips the pool builder left me good enough? Folks come to Trouble Free Pool by the droves, complaining of cloudy or algae green water, and wonder why their water never looks as good as it did the first day it was filled. Often, they've been using test strips or a simple color matching test kit that just matches the total chlorine and the pH. They thought that was enough. The problem with those little kits or strips is they're often misleading, inaccurate, or just plain limited in the information they can provide. Trying to judge similar shades of yellow is a horrible way of determining chlorine levels, and on top of that, it often tops out at 5 parts per million. Is that 5 parts per million your free chlorine, which is the good stuff, or is it your combined chloramines, which is the bad stuff, or is it both totaled? With strips, you may see a result telling you your chlorine is 5 to 10 ppm. Is it 5? Is it 10? Who knows? At Trouble Free Pool, we've discovered that the best way to maintain clean, clear, safe water is for homeowners to know what's in their pool water. We want to know exactly how much free chlorine and combined chloramines are in our water. Knowing your stabilizer level with the cyanic acid test is necessary, as we base our free chlorine level on that. We also know that having appropriate pH, alkalinity, and calcium hardness levels all play into maintaining not only our sparkling water, but it helps protect and maintain our pool surfaces and mechanical equipment. Saltwater chlorine-generated pools also need to monitor their salt levels independently of the device for best results. Experience has shown that drop-based test kits test all the accurate parameters more accurately and at higher levels when necessary. These test kits give you accurate, reproducible test results. It's not color matching, but rather color changing that you will see when using these kits. Yes, the kits cost a few bucks. However, many who rely on pool store free testing or use inadequate home kits often spend far more than the cost of a good kit trying to fix their pool problems. These kits actually save you far more in the end than what they cost.